In our last video, we learnt that infectious diseases are caused by infectious agents. Infectious agents, as we know, are microorganisms, and there are a variety of them. Is it easy to find a cure for specific diseases caused by each of them? That is humanly impossible, as there is a huge diversity of these infectious agents. Then what is the possible solution? We cannot create medicines against each of them, but we can surely do so against a similar group, can't we? Based on the common characteristics that they share, microorganisms are classified into major groups. Do you have the slightest idea of what these groups are? I'm sure you will recollect these terms when we discuss them. The infectious agents are mainly grouped as viruses, bacteria, fungi, single-celled animals or protozoans, and multicellular helminths. Most of us have surely heard of the first three types. Protozoans and multicellular helminths are the other two. Do you want to know a few examples of the disease they cause? You must have had common cold and fever quite a few times. Do you know what causes common cold and fever? Is it a virus? That's true. Both these are caused by the virus group of agents. Also, you may have suffered from diarrhea or food poisoning. What causes these two? Some microbe from the bacteria group must have entered the body to cause this disease. What about rashes on your skin? Rashes are a type of skin infection, and fungi play a major role in causing skin infections. What about the last two types? Malaria and Kala Azar are caused by the protozoan microbes, while intestinal infections, as we know, are caused by helminths. That was quite interesting, wasn't it? How will grouping microbes help us? All the microbes grouped in these categories will have similar characteristics. When we say similar characteristics, it means that one medicine will help kill microbes of the similar type. How is this even possible? Do you want to know more about it? Surely, let me explain. Organisms of a particular group will have common biological characteristics. Don't you think they will work in a similar way as well? Yes, they do. That is precisely why we group them into one category. Now, one medicine will help kill organisms which function in the same way. Now, how does that work? You must have heard the term antibiotics. Antibiotics block the biochemical pathways which help the bacteria to survive. For example, the drug penicillin. It prevents the bacteria from working on a very crucial process. The bacterium makes a cell wall around itself to protect it from the harmful drugs. Penicillin blocks this very process of cell wall formation. What happens then? The bacteria have no cell wall to protect it, and within no time, all the bacteria are killed as the drugs then attack them. But this process of cell wall making is only done by bacteria. Viruses do not have any such processes, and hence antibiotics can work only against bacteria. Viruses, on the other hand, can only be suppressed or prevented. For viruses, we must then invent some other drug. But once invented, one drug can work against all the microbes in the virus group. Wasn't this quite easy and interesting? In our next video, we will see how these agents find their way into the human body.